Here's the Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now let's open up the glove box. Whatever you have in the glove box, take it out and set it aside. Now we need to get this dampener arm out of place, so just grab the arm and pull it out from the clip and then push it in. Now there are two stoppers, one on each side. For that we have to just first push the glove box in and then twist to the left, and then the stopper just comes right out. Same thing on the other side, push the glove box in, twist to the left, and the stopper comes out. This gives us access to the filter cover. Squish it on one side and it comes out, squish it on the other side and the entire cover just comes right out. Grab the filter and just slide it right out, and out it comes. The top side of the filter is the dirty side, outside air comes from the top, dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the bottom goes into the vehicle. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. The airflow directions from top to bottom. Now let's go ahead, put the new filter back in. I'm just going to put the old filter back in for now. I'll replace it later on. And now let's get the cover in. Now the cover has to sit in properly. Look at this side. Make sure it goes in just the way I'm showing. Good. The once it's in place, just give it a push. The clips engage over here. And same on the other side. It engages. Now let's focus on the stoppers. Put the glove box in. Now you see this stopper has like a tooth or like a step on one side. So line it up with the proper cutout on the glove box, and only then will the stopper go in. And once it's in place, then twist your right to lock it. Same thing on the other side. Make sure you line up those steps over there with the cutout in the glove box. Once it's in place, just give it a right twist. Just twist your right to lock it. And that's good. Grab the dampener arm, put it on that clip and push it on. Let's try this out. Everything is looking good, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.